Good morning, children. Okay, today we are going to know about Africa, children. Before that, let us see how this nature, the landscape on this earth is so unique, children, with a different uh, plants, animals, right? Compared to other planets, our earth, it has different landscape, so it is so beautiful, it is unique, different from other planets. You see the varieties of plants and animals. Okay, అంటే ప్రకృతి ఎంత అందంగా ఉంది అంటే ఒక్కొక్క చోట మనం ఒక్కొక్కటి చూస్తూ ఉంటాం. సమ్ స్పెషాలిటీ యు ఫైండ్ ఆన్ దిస్ ఎర్త్ అట్ డిఫరెంట్ పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద వరల్డ్. కొన్ని చోట్ల మౌంటైన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, రైట్? హిమాలయాస్, ఓకే, డెజర్ట్స్ ఉండొచ్చు. You have studied all these things in your natural realms, how this earth is distributed to different natural segments. అంటే ప్రకృతి సిద్ధంగా ఎటువంటి ప్లెయిన్స్ కావచ్చు, ప్లాట్యూస్ కావచ్చు, రివర్స్ కావచ్చు, ఓషన్స్ కావచ్చు, ఓకే, అనిమల్స్ కావచ్చు, ప్లాంట్స్ కావచ్చు. We see different things on this earth, so it is so beautiful to cherish or enjoy. When you see the nature, you feel very happy, right? You have learnt or you studied, you knew about Europe. Last time in our previous chapter, Europe lo మీరు కొద్దిగా తెలుసుకున్నారు యూరోప్ గురించి, రైట్? There you studied industrialization, how they lived and all, where it is located, all those things. Now we are moving to Africa. In your I think in your previous class, like in 6th class, you might have studied, I don't know exactly, you might have studied civilizations, right? Because we keep on changing the syllabus, so from in different texts they give different syllabus, right? So when we see the civilizations in Africa, we see the Egyptian civilization there. It is famous for its Egyptian civilization, Africa, on the banks of river or Nile river. When we see the physical features, right? This Africa, this is the map you can see here. It is surrounded by the oceans, like you can see here Atlantic Ocean, right? Then here you can see Mediterranean Ocean. When you were knowing about Europe, Europe is separated by Mediterranean Sea. From Africa we have studied, right? This part is Mediterranean Sea, right? Then coming to Asia and Africa is separated by Red Sea. Can you see here? This is Red Sea, this part, children, this part, blue color, can you see? This part is Red Sea, which separates Asia and Africa. And when come to southeast, you see Indian Ocean here, right? This is Indian Ocean. Here you see Indian Ocean. So it is surrounded by oceans, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean. And then when you move on, see here, it continues, children. Atlantic Ocean continues, and here you will see Mediterranean Sea, Red Sea. As you see plenty of water, and there are so many rivers in Africa. As we have studied the natural realms of this earth, like different parts we are keep on learning. You have learnt in your previous chapters about Andhra Pradesh, you have learnt about Europe, you have learnt about different parts we are keep on learning. In the same way, when we come to Africa, here also we see different physical features like plateau region, mountains, forests, rivers, deserts, all these things we see, children. Okay, here Nile River is so famous. Okay, then uh, coming to Zambezi, then there are so many rivers and lakes. Niagara River, Congo River, Zambezi River. These are the rivers you see here. Okay. Deserts we have. Sahara Desert we have. Okay. Kalahari Desert we have here. Here you see desert, Sahara Desert, this part. Okay. Near Egypt. Then coming down to completely south of Africa, you see Kalahari Desert here in this part. Okay. So we have very thick forests. Then the climate we are going to study here, the agriculture, okay, the way of life, how they led, all these things we are going to know, children. The African coast, what is famous in Africa, okay, why we want to study Africa, all these things we are going to know, children. How you studied about Europe, we are going to know more about Africa also. The physical features, as I told you, that forest, rivers, deserts, the location where it is situated, and how people lived and living, all these things we are going to know. So before going to that, I request all of you to go through the textbook. Once you read the text, okay, be ready. When I continue my explanation, you will come to know in detail, children. Okay. So this is the introduction part what we are going to have now, and later on in my next class we are going to know more about Africa. Okay, children, thank you.